Today, the 8th of July 2024, Hamster Kombat daily cipher code. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, endeavor to subscribe, like the video, and share with others. Today's daily cipher word is DAG. D-A-G. Without further ado, let's dive in. For D, it is dash dot dot. For A, it is dot and dash, and for the last G, it is dash, dash, and dot. And that is all for today, guys. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with others. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again in our next video, endeavor to stay safe. Bye for now.